Today we're in Sydney, Australia. I'm here doing a portrait shoot with Josephina. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm 19 years old. I'm studying architecture at the University of Sydney. That's about it.
So we're here to just do full body, headshots, waist up. We have beautiful weather, which I'm very surprised because there's been flash flood warnings and wind. The wind has been insane, but today we have sunlight. I was not expecting that. So I'm using my 24-70 lens with my 5D Mark IV today, and I am going to be taking some film photos as well. I'll have all that linked in the description, so let's get started. Why do I feel like I haven't shot in 17 years? Yeah, stay right there. Beautiful. I like the wind kind of flowing in your face. Be up against the wall just a little bit more. Yeah, just like that, even like this, yeah. Great, love that. Let's do some close-up portraits. So let's bring your arm in a bit more like this, yeah. Like that? Yeah, let's do a reflector, maybe like right here. It's been raining, it's been flooding. The trains are shut down and we have sunlight. I don't know how this happened, but we got lucky today. Yes, love that. Look in here. Love the poses, just like that. Great job. So have your hand kind of even maybe this way, yeah. I always have to be checking my pictures when I'm doing this. Hand down maybe, but stay in that same pose, yeah. Love this, just take that piece of hair and tuck it behind your ears. Great. Do you want to do some sitting down like this? Maybe you could be doing something like this. The whole photo shoot's just right here, like in this little patio. How about you're looking away, yeah. And then let's have you, maybe like right here. We're in like the coast of Italy. Let's have the hair even like, yeah, just have it like fly. Lift your chin up a bit. There you go. Great job. So I'm gonna be shooting portrait, so your arms aren't gonna show unless you have them. Yes, just like that. Have the hair blowing. I like this a lot. You are doing amazing. Actually, I like the angle of when I was bending down because I got the nice blue sky. It looks like there's like a trash bag over the chimney and I kind of like don't want that in the picture.
I don't know, I feel like you do well with like ugly locations. You love that, right?
I've like shot like near dumpsters, trash cans, all that. I'm not gonna do that to you right now. You know, we're gonna keep it tame for this one. So okay, we'll do a few more here. Let's do some like nice headshot looking here. Yeah, I like it when your hair was kind of like in your face on just on that side. Just bring your hair more to the front, like fluff it up like this. Yeah, there you go. Yes.
It's the shoes.
I know, I was like, is there like a bird that's down here? No, I can't unhear the shoes. They're like crackling, they're like tap dancing, but not really. Let's switch it up. By switching it up, I mean literally having her move like from here to here. Like that's my location change. Yeah, let's have like your hand kind of even, yeah, do something like that. Am I in the tree? I am in the tree. If you gotta be in a tree to get the shot, you gotta be in the tree. I want you like looking out. There might be spiders here, so I'm willing to literally be in a spider web for this too. You guys ever see the TikToks of Australia with the spiders? I feel like as you guys live here, you don't really like check up, but we know about that. We're scared. Looking here? Great. Great job, yes, love that. I'm thinking, can we do a few more here with this tree? And the sun is now out. Okay, perfect. Great, beautiful. Stay right there, looking here. You ever just shoot to like get the headshot, Kaylee? Like you want this to be the model's headshot? That's what I'm doing right now. You're doing the Lord's work here. You can have the hair fly, okay? Bring your shoulder in just a little bit, yeah. Oh my God, love this, okay. I want you just like standing very casual here. Yeah, just like that, looking here. Great, really making my job easier here. Can you walk towards me, like take a few steps towards me? Yes, great job. And then maybe we could do a last one, like, I don't know, you can be holding this. Yeah, like I'm here picking lemons and we're not making lemonade, but it's not really healthy. What do I know? We ate McDonald's like 20 times this week, so. Do you have any pets?
A snake.
You have a snake?
Yeah.
What made you want to get a snake?
My dad wouldn't let me have a cat or dog.
So he's like, no cat or dog, but a snake, a python. That's so cool.
Yeah.
You should have brought her to take pictures with you. I'm going to ask you more questions later about this. She would have been so cool in this photo shoot. Hey, Kaylee, can we bring white in right here? Get that white bounce in. And then, of course, the sun comes out. Chin down a bit. I want you like looking like past me right here, okay? Yes. Great job. I love when you brought your shoulder in. Okay, let's have you change. That was very successful. I was not expecting the weather to be like this. I just want to try a few here, yeah. So we're doing a few shots with the Pro Photo Flash indoors. I just want to switch it up. Kind of always like the flash look for photos, so just doing a few. I love this flash so much and it's so easy to use. Not sponsored, but I really do like it. Can I have one where you're like kneeling down? Yeah, I love that. I want you like looking out this way. Yeah, out there. Don't move. I like when you were looking out there. Yeah. I liked it when you were like all the way down. Gorgeous. Have your arm in and kind of like leaning up against the wall. I love your posing. Seriously, great job with the posing. And tilt your head more this way. How about looking out this way towards the, yep. Great job. Okay, let's move outside. I just love this flash. Should I use it outside? Yeah, let's just do it. Right. I love it. Okay, so we're mixing the on-camera flash with natural light. I don't usually do this, but I kind of like the look that it's giving so far, so we'll try it out. Is someone screaming in there? Is that the music? Looking straight ahead towards the street. Can I have both pieces of hair to the back, please? Yeah. Thank you. Great job. So I thrifted this skirt and then we used some sticker glitter eyeliner. Haley helped me with the hair. We paired it with some earrings and a top from Doll's Kill. These are the shoes that Josephina brought. So pretty simple styling, I'd say. Chin down a bit. Keep moving that hand. Maybe like you're getting ready to get up. How about you're like getting up from there? Yeah, and like looking out towards the street, yeah. Yeah, just kind of like looking out towards the street. Okay, let's have you get up and then let's have you like do a few street style, right? We're on the town, night on the town, in the town. Yeah, just like have fun with it, like walking in, walking out, yeah. Can we get maybe the reflector in just a little bit, right? Looking here. Bring this shoulder in, yeah. Great job. Ow, my arm hurts from all that. Okay, let's do one. Can we have you like sitting on the street maybe? Remember last time I was shooting in Australia and the lady came out and yelled at me?
Oh,
she's like, you can't take pictures here. Okay, let's do no earrings for these last two shots. Can we get the diffuser? Oh wait, oh, the sun's out. The sun's gone. We're doing some portraits. Looking here, chin down a bit, yeah. Great job. Bring both hands in like this, yeah. Chin up a bit. Looking here, yeah, don't move. I'm just gonna have you right here, okay, don't move. Let's do a last walking shot, and I think we'll be good. One more, walk up to my lens. A little faster. Like you see the police officer giving you a ticket and you're trying to get your car. Good job. I know, it's a lot of walking, right? Plot twist, it's like fitness. Surprise! Okay, let's do one more here and I think we'll be good. Maybe like a nice portrait. You know what I thought for a second? That my lens was on manual focus and I was gonna scream. That's my worst nightmare. Bring your arms in for this one, just for this one. And then looking here. Great job. Okay, I think we're good. I think we got enough. So we did a bit of on-camera flash. I used my film camera and my DSLR. I think the pictures came out amazing. I can't wait to edit them. Josephina, thank you so much. You're posing. Seriously, A+. But next time, we got to see her snake in the picture. What do you guys think? Nina, is she going to make an appearance?
Yeah, sure.
Is she friendly? Like if we bring her in?
She's not so great with people.
Oh.
Yeah.
I feel like she would like me. I have a cat,
Nice.
right? So it's kind of like not really the same thing, but also they're both animals. They could talk to each other and they could figure it out. So thank you so much, Josephina, for modeling today. Where can people find you?
Josephina.p.
There it is. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know what you guys think of the pictures and we'll see you guys later. Bye.